morning, students, and welcome to your English class.
Today we will learn about letter Z. Letter Z is the next letter after letter Y, and its sound is Z as zoo.
Look at this picture. What do you see in this picture?
In this picture, we can see some children crossing the road by zebra crossing. A zeppelin is flying above the trees. Zebra crossing, zeppelin are friends of Z. Do you know some more friends of Z? Good job! Zebra, zip, zero, zoo are some more friends of Z. Children, in this lesson, we learned about some friends of letter Z. Do you know which animal has black and white stripes on his body and it starts with letter Z? Good job! Zebra has black and white stripes on its body and lives in forest. How many children are crossing the road? Can you count them? Right. 3 children are crossing the road by zebra crossing. Let's learn to write letter Z. It's very easy. Can you see the red dot? Place your pencil on red dot and move it on other dots. It is very easy. Now, practice to write capital and small letter. For more updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel.